Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can simply exit the big picture in Steam. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're like me blocked here and you don't know what you should do and how you should act, just go to right top corner to the power mode and you're gonna see it here like the exit big picture, or you can minimize it, and that's pretty much it. So exit big picture. And voila, here we are. And this is how we do it. And again, when I go to view, big picture mode, again, I will just exit it. So thank you everybody. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, you can support and subscribe. I'll be really thankful for it. It would mean a lot to me. And I just want to say I like you. Just the way you are. Goodbye.